In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to switch from T-Mobile to Mint Mobile. Transferring your number to Mint from T-Mobile is a breeze with these simple steps. Before initiating the transfer process, ensure that your phone and number are eligible for transfer to Mint Mobile, which is eligible considering you're switching from T-Mobile, because most unlocked GSM-compatible phones are compatible with Mint Mobile. Next, retrieve the necessary information from your T-Mobile carrier to facilitate the number transfer process. You need to log into your T-Mobile account and contact their customer service to obtain your account number. And then, depending on your carrier, you'll need to either need a PIN or a number transfer PIN to authorize the transfer. And ensure you have the correct billing address, including the zip code associated with your current carrier account. Once you have all the necessary information, visit mintmobile.com/activate to initiate the transfer process. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your account details, including the account number, PIN, and billing address from your T-Mobile account. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.